On day 2, the focus shifted to terminal operations, where our students gained insights into the heart of the airport experience, the passenger terminal. The day began with an exploration of the check-in process, where passengers confirmed their travel details, receive boarding passes, and drop off their luggage. Our students observed how staff manage different check-in methods, from traditional counters to modern self-service kiosks, ensuring a smooth and efficient process for all travelers. They then explored the intricacies of baggage handling, a vital behind-the-scenes operation. And from tagging and scanning to sorting and transporting luggage, students saw how advanced systems ensure that every bag reaches the right flight safely and on time. They also learned about handling special items like oversized or fragile baggage with extra care. By understanding these crucial processes, our students gained a new appreciation for how terminal operations contribute to seamless passenger journeys and efficient airport management.